Okay, thank you. Good morning.
Ay! Sarap ng ano.
Sarap po, thank you po. Thank you so much.
There are other food there, Father.
Here's some fruits. Oh, yun natin sila.
Ano yan ka galing ka sa unahan?
Hindi, kasi ano, hindi. Ano yung chan ko?
Sarap yan.
Tinapos natin to.
Where's the wall?
Because we have
It's not too far from San Angelo.
No, the next stop is
So wall and then San Angelo.
San Angelo. Like a wall.
San Angelo, then wall. Ah, okay. Wall pala, wall.
Ha?
Wall.
Wall.
Ang pong mura lapit sa San Angelo. Kung walang to kami na to.
20 years?
No, 10.
10 years.